Owl puppet. Oh yeah.
My dinos, thanks for joining me for another tutorial on a puppet. Today we are making an owl. During the video, you will see a pause button appear. That means you can pause the video during that step if you know you'll need more time. All you need is a pen, scissors, and fabric glue. Click the Show More button below and a link will pop out and you'll see the owl's face PDF to print out. When you're done printing it out, cut out the owl's head and place it on the felt, just like this. If you don't have felt, you could use paper. Make sure you have white and black paper, and if you don't have brown and blue, use any two colors you like. Make sure you write on the paper brown, blue, WBW. I will explain later. Now you're going to trace the top of the owl's head. Then I will show you what to do around the body. Now below where the body is going to be, you're going to place your hand right in the middle of the owl's head. There, you'll see where your thumb belongs and you're going to trace around your thumb. Do the same on the other side for the other hand of the owl. After you're done tracing, cut out the shape you've traced. When you're done, it should look like this. Now where I had you write brown, I want you to cut out those two pieces, the top of the head and the chin. When you're done, you could discard those pieces. Now you have the shapes of the eye. You'll see a beak, and I want you to cut that out and put it to the side and save it for later. With this piece, you're going to trace it all along a blue color piece of felt, just like this. When you're done tracing the top, on the bottom, just fill in a line where the beak is, just like this. When you're done, it should look like this. Now you're going to take your scissors and cut it out. Now that you have the blue shape, which is going to hold all the eyes, you're going to cut out the eyes. When you're done cutting out the eyes, take a white piece of felt and trace the eyes over it. That's what the W means. It means white. The B means black. When you're done, it should look like this. What I like to do is place each piece on the felt so they don't get lost. Now what you're going to do is cut out what you just traced and just get the B. When you're done cutting out the middle circle with a B in it, trace it on a black piece of felt and cut it out. Now it should look like this. What you're going to do is cut the last circle inside with a W, trace it on a white piece of felt and cut it out. Now it should look like this. You're halfway there. Remember the beak? Well, take that piece and a yellow piece of felt, trace it on top and cut it out. Here you have your beak. Now you can see the owl. You're halfway there. Now take off each piece and put it to the side. Now we are going to start gluing the pieces together. Here's where you'll need your fabric glue. Make sure that when you put the glue on the fabric that you're not too close to the edges, because when you do push the pieces down, it is going to spread and you don't want it to come out from the sides. When you're done, push the felt down, but you're going to do it really gently. Now we're going to glue the white pieces of the eyes. Remember, make sure to stay inside, not too far out to the corners. Remember not to push the pieces so hard, okay? Now we're going to glue the black part of the eye. Gently press it on, then we're going to glue the last part of the eyes, which are the small white pieces. Gently tap the pieces in, and now we're going to glue the beak. Let it sit for at least 1 minute, then grab any cylinder-like piece and push it all around. This way, it'll press the glue down like you're pressing dough. Now, take a big piece of blue felt paper and put the owl on top. What you're going to do is trace all around. I like to leave a little pieces around just so it'll look like feathers. Now that you're done, you could glue the edges all around except the bottom or sew it. Not the bottom because that's where your hand goes. Now you're ready to take Owl outside and enjoy your new puppet. Have a great day, dinos. Also, I'm so proud of you guys. You really did it.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!